Take 150. Day 220 of the Book of Mysteries. The day of the Mattan. He took me into a room adorned with veil-like curtains that served as partitions to divide the space into several smaller chambers. On the floor were cushions and carpets covered in what appeared to be Middle Eastern designs. We sat down in one of the chambers, in which was a small, metallic and ornate chest. Opening the chest, he took out a necklace-like object of precious stones of a variety of colors, all joined together in a golden netting. In ancient times, said the teacher, in the days of betrothal, when a bride and groom dwelt in their separate homes preparing for their wedding, the groom could send to the bride a gift. It was called the Mattan. And Mattan means the gift, he said. The Mattan was a sign of the bridegroom's love for the bride. It was to encourage her in their days of separation and to assure her of his pledge, a guarantee of faithfulness, a promise of things to come. And in the case of the Mattan consisting of jewelry like this one, it was also to beautify her and prepare her for the wedding day. He handed me the baton that I might examine it. Once a year on the biblical calendar, Israel celebrated the giving of the law of Mount Sinai. The law was considered a gift from God to his people. The celebration was known as the Day of the Mattan, or the Day of the Gift. What was the Day of the Mattan? It was the Feast of Shavuot. Pentecost. Yes, Pentecost. The Day of Mattan, the Day of the Giving of the Gift. And so it was on Shavuot, Pentecost, the Day of the Gift, that God gave the gift of the Spirit. And it wasn't just the Day of the Gift, but in Hebrew, the Day of Mattan. What does that mean? It means the Spirit is the Mattan, I said, the gift the bridegroom gives to the bride. Yes, he said, the Spirit is given as a sign of the bridegroom's love for the bride, to encourage us in the days of our betrothal and separation, to assure us of his pledge to bless us, strengthen us, and beautify us, the guarantee of his faithfulness, the promise of things to come, the Spirit of the Mattan, of the bridegroom's love for the bride. The mission today: practice living in the power of the Mattan, moving in the Spirit, becoming more beautiful, strong, and ready for your wedding day. Genesis 34:12, Luke 11:13, Acts 2:1-4, 2 Corinthians 1:22, and 5:5. Thank you for listening.